Hi guys, here is how you can lock chats and hide locked chats on WhatsApp. Let me quickly open WhatsApp. Now to lock chats, simply tap and hold any chat you want to lock. Tap on lock chat. Continue. Now the chat has been locked. To view the locked chats, simply scroll down and you will see locked chats. Tap on it and the chat will be opened. Now let's hide the locked chats too, so that it won't appear on scroll. For that, go to locked chats, go to settings and hide locked chats. Let's create a secret code. You can use any code you want or even use emoji. For instance, I will use this emoji for now. Next, and confirm it. And this is done. Now if I go back and if I scroll down, the locked chats will not appear here. It has been hidden. Now to find the locked chats, simply search a secret code and you will find your locked chats here. Simply open it, and if you want to remove this, simply go to settings, hide locked chats, continue and also turn off the secret code. And to remove this from locked chats, tap and hold on it. Unlock chat. Now it is no longer locked. Hope this video was useful. Thank you very much.